Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have imported my logo which I will be using in the demonstration. You can use any logo of your choice. Now let's create a new composition, name it as Logo Reveal. For this composition, I will set time duration to 7 seconds. Now let's add the logo to the timeline. Here you can scale your logo if needed. Here I will scale my logo. Let's pre-compose it. I will name it as Logo. Select Move All Attribute into New Composition. For this logo composition, double-click on this rectangle tool to create mask. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Scribble. Add it to the logo composition. For Scribble, change Composite to Reveal Original Image. Now we will create keyframe for stroke width, at 1 second. Create keyframe for stroke width. Set stroke width to 20. Now at near about 1 second and 25 frames. Set stroke width to 50. Here you can't see any preview. To view it, go to Stroke option. Set spacing to 50. Set path overlap to 35. Now you can see the preview. Now at 1 second and 15 frames, create keyframe for end. Now at start, set end to 0%. You can see the preview. Now set Twiggle to 15. Set Random Seed to 20. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fill. Add it to the logo composition. Set Fill Color to white. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's create duplicate of this logo composition. Let's remove the fill effect. Now place this composition at distance of 5 frames. Now select both composition. Pre-compose them. Name it as Scribble. Perfect. Now let's add the logo composition to the timeline, place it below the Scribble composition. For logo composition, in Effects and Preset, search for Vegas. Add it to the logo composition. For Vegas, in Image Contours, change Channel to Alpha. Here we will set color to white. For Vegas, let's set the segments to 1. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for length. Now at start of the timeline, set length to 0. Press U to view keyframes. Now at 2 seconds and 15 frames, create keyframe for length. Now at 4 seconds, change length to 0. Perfect. Now at 1 second, create keyframe for rotation, change rotation to -45 degree. Now at 4 seconds, change rotation to 150 degrees. Select random phase. Change blend mode to transparent. Set width to 6. Set hardness to 1. Set midpoint opacity to 1. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Turbulent Displace. Add it to the logo composition. For Turbulent Displace, set amount to 30. Set size to 15. You can see the preview. Now at start of the timeline, create keyframe for offset. Now at end of the timeline, change offset for Y position as shown. You can see the effect. Perfect. Now for this Scribble composition. Let's place it at 1 second. Now let's create duplicate of this Scribble composition. Press T to bring up opacity, change opacity to 50%. For this Scribble composition, select the rectangle tool. Now create mask blocks as shown. In Effects and Preset, search for Fill. Add fill to Scribble composition. Here I will change the fill color. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Transform, add it to the Scribble composition. For Transform, set position for X to 950. Here we will slightly adjust the position by 1 or 2 frames. Now let's again create duplicate of this Scribble composition. For this transform, we will change position to 970. Here we will remove the previous created mask. Select the rectangle tool. Now create new mask. Perfect. Now from Project Panel, let's add the Scribble composition to the timeline. Now press T to bring up opacity. Now at near about 3 seconds and 15 frames. Create keyframe for opacity. Now at 3 seconds, change opacity to 0%. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. For adjustment layer, let's add transform. For position we will add the wiggle expression. While pressing Alt key, click on stopwatch of position. Now enter expression, wiggle, 5 and 10. Now you can see the wiggle effect. Now at near about 4 seconds, we will create keyframe for opacity. Now at 5 seconds, change opacity to 0. You can see the preview. Now select all the layer. Pre-compose them. I will name it as Scribble Reveal. We will change it to 3D. Now let's create a new solid layer. This will be our background. Place it below the composition. For background, in Effects and Preset, search for Gradient Ramp. Add it to the background layer. Here you can set any color of your choice. For the background layer, ramp shape to radial ramp. Set ramp scatter to 500. Perfect. Now let's create a new camera. Create a new null object. change null to 3D. Parent camera to null object. For null, press P to bring up position. Now at end of the timeline, create keyframe for position, reduce the position value if you want. Now at start of the timeline, reduce the position value as shown. You can see the preview. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Preset, search for Sharpen. Add it to the adjustment layer. Set Sharpen amount to 30. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Noise. Add it to the adjustment layer. Now set amount of noise to 3%. Now let's create a new solid layer. Name it as Frame. Now double-click on this rectangle tool to create mask. For mask, change mask path, set unit to % of source. Set top to 10%, set bottom to 90%. Select inverted. Now let's see the final preview. Perfect. Here our logo reveal is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.